Hello everyone with a new topic, our country world, Mana Desham Prapancham of class 5. Okay, this is the Telugu chapter Mana Desham Prapancham, in English our country world. Okay, so this is our country. How huge it is, right? How huge it is. విశాల భారతదేశం మనది, హిమాలయాలకు నిలయం ఇది. ఇలాంటి దేశంలో ప్రజలంతా విశాల హృదయంతో మెలగాలి. మతాలు వేరైనా కానీ, భాషలు వేరైనా కానీ, భారతీయులం అందరం, భారతదేశం సుందరం. ఓకే, మీన్స్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ తెలుగు పద్యం and I'm saying in English also. విశాల భారతదేశం మనది means this India is so huge and belongs to Indians. హిమాలయాలకు నిలయం ఇది. It is the home for the highest mountain ranges, Himalayas. ఇలాంటి దేశంలో ప్రజలంతా విశాల హృదయంతో మెలగాలి. Means in this India, the people belonging to this India should give hand in hand from heart. It should come from heart. Okay, మతాలు వేరైనా కానీ, భాషలు వేరైనా కానీ, if he is Hindu and he is Muslim and he is Christian, so what happens? We all are Indians, right? So we should be proud of ourselves. We are Indians. Okay, so we will agree that they all met to each other. But Muslim and Hindus will not talk. Why? Muslim is Hindi and this Hindu may be Telugu. So that's why these languages are not kept. Hey, he is Hindi language and he is Telugu language. So what happens? So someone is Telugu, someone is English, someone is Hindi. Na peru Nipun. In Telugu, my name is Nipun. In English, मेरा नाम निपुण है. In Hindi, so these are the languages. So what happens? If languages are also, the statement we all are Indians did not change, right? That's why in the after this, the line is Bharatiyulam Andaram. We all are Indians, and this India is very beautiful as it is the home for one of the 7 wonders of the world. What is the 7 wonders? Taj Mahal. It is home for Taj Mahal. Did you any time go to Agra? But I went. Here is the Taj Mahal. When we are talking about India, the topic, I will show you the picture of Taj Mahal. It is very beautiful and it is one of the 7 wonders of the world. So let's go to the topic. India. Okay, about India. Voila! See, this is the India. Okay, as I said you, okay, 1 minute. Okay, so this is the India map. Okay, first let us know about India and then come to these points. Okay, and then come to these points and let us discuss about these points. Okay, let us discuss about these points after this. First, we will see about the India map here. Okay, so how many boundaries are there in India? 2 boundaries, right? There are 2 boundaries in India. One is external boundaries of India and one is state boundaries of India, and we can say this external boundary, it is known as international boundary. Okay, this is known as, this black color line is known as external boundary of India or international boundary of India. These boundaries you are seeing right here of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, these are the state or boundaries of state, the state boundaries of India. Okay, so there are two types of boundaries. They are international and state. Okay, international boundary and state boundary, or external boundary or state boundary. Okay, okay. So this is the international boundary. This is the international boundary, and this is also a international boundary. Okay, this is also an international boundary. Okay, so that's what I have to say. 1 minute, children. Okay, let's come. So let's come to these points. Okay, states. The states in India are 28, and there are 9 union territories. But in your textbook, it is written as 29 states and 7 union territories, right? But in the ninth in the nine in one state, that is Jammu and Kashmir, it is divided into two, Jammu and Kashmir, and they are known as the union territories. Two union territories. Okay, two union territories. Okay, two union territories. So this state is -1, and the union territory is +2, which is also but 28 and 9 union territories. Okay, 28 and 9 union territories. Okay, why I will say you this? So this area is occupied. This area is occupied by China and Pakistan. That's why we have divided this. Okay, that's why we have divided this. Okay, that's why we have divided this. And let's come 1 minute. Okay, this we have discussed now. New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, this symbol is there, no? This red color symbol, right? This red color symbol indicates that is the capital of its country. So the New Delhi is the capital of India. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. India is the seventh largest country in the world. Okay, it is the seventh largest in its place. It is the seventh largest country in the world. Okay, see here also we can see. Okay, here also we can see this is the national, this is the country capital. Okay, if this is there for USA capital, USA capital is known as New York, not New York, Washington DC. Okay, and this is known as state capital, black dot. Okay, black dot. Okay, so this is the state. This is the Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Hyderabad is capital of Telangana. Amaravati is capital of Andhra Pradesh. Like that. Okay. So India is the seventh largest country in its place. So the first six are, let me say you, just you note down this. It can come for you. Russia, Canada, China, United States of America, Brazil, Australia. Okay, so first is Russia, second is China, third is USA, which is also known as United States of America, fourth is Australia, no, fourth is Brazil. 1 minute. First is Russia, second is Canada, third is China, fourth is USA, fifth is Brazil, and sixth is Australia. And are larger when compared to area in India. Australia is also a country. Australia is also a country as well as a continent. When we come to the continent concept, I will say you that's why it is bigger than India, because it is a continent. If India is also continent, it is very big. Okay, population is less in Australia. When we come to the topic, we will discuss. India is the seventh largest country in the world. There are Vindhya and Satpura ranges. Okay, there are Vindhya and Satpura ranges. Okay, so before saying this, Vindhya and Satpura ranges are here near Chhattisgarh. Okay, near Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh, and here are Vindhya Hills. And to the north of it, it is known as the northern India, and to the south of it, it is known as southern India. To the east of it, it is known as eastern India. Okay, to the west of it, it is known as western India, and to the northeast of it, it is known as northeastern India, northern East India, or northeastern India. Okay. Okay. India is having so many historical places, and the best of it is Taj Mahal, which is one of the seven wonders of the world. It is in Agra. In Agra, and the Taj Mahal. See, this is the Taj Mahal. You're thinking that what is this picture? What is this picture? This picture is nothing but the picture of Taj, not Taj, it is Taj Mahal. Okay, it is Taj Mahal. It is the picture of Taj Mahal. Okay, so let's go to the next topic about India. Okay, so this is the another about of India. Okay, so when we see this New Delhi, right? This New Delhi is the this New Delhi is the what is the Union Territory as well as the capital of India. Union Territory as well as the capital of India. It is a union territory as well as the capital of India. The another famous uh, union territory of India is Goa. It is the famous union territory as it is at the coast side. This is known as coast. Okay. This is known as coast. Okay. Okay, this is known as the coast. So, let me say you some of these. Northern India, okay. So, as I said that, okay, before saying this is Vindhya Hills, right? Where Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra. So, it is in the central of India. So, the central of India, the places of central of India are nothing but Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh, okay. So let me say you about this northern India. Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, New Delhi. These are the and Uttarakhand also. Uttar Pradesh. Wait. Uttarachal, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarachal. Uttar Pradesh, UP, and Uttarachal are to the north. Okay, these are okay. One minute, I will show you. These are the countries. Okay, these are the countries to the north side, not Rajasthan. It is like this one. I'm not able to do it very nicely. I will take this set of a line. To here Okay, till there to there. This half, this green color part also comes. Okay, this green color part also comes to the north and southern India, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala. Okay, Telangana, Tamil Nadu. So are where we are living: Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, and Karnataka. Okay, and Karnataka. And the after Eastern India, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, and West Bengal. These are the Eastern India. Okay, these are the Eastern India. Okay, these are the Eastern India. These are the Eastern India, and the West India. Western India is Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan. Okay, Gujarat. So it starts from here to here. Okay, to here to here. Okay, these, and after this, the central India, which is nothing but the Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh, and the mm, northeastern India, Arunachal Pradesh. These, wait, this here. Okay, 1 minute. After this, from here to this down. To this down. Okay, this is the northeastern India. So let me say you what is a ocean and what is a sea. Okay, so ocean is nothing but a very big water body. It contains so much of water and which are salty, and that which are not salt, which are salty but very small than, so but very that are smaller than the big ones. See, if we compare this with this is bigger, right? So this is known as ocean and this is known as sea. Okay, this is known as sea. Okay, this is Arabian Sea. Arabian. This is a name of the sea, Arabian Sea. Okay, and this is known as Bay of Bengal. This is also a sea. It is a part of. It is a part of Indian Ocean, which we will learn later. Okay. Okay, this is the Indian Ocean and it is one of the third largest ocean of the world. Okay, it is named after our country, which is also known as Hindu Ocean. Okay, Hindu Ocean. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you. Very thank you. So that's it for today, and the rest part we'll see in the part 2 of this chapter. We are having total 3 parts, and one is this, and another one we are covering whole chapter in second part, and after in third chapter we are doing problems. Okay, and it is known as problem solving, and that is known as part 3. Okay, part 3. That's it for today, and we completed this in about 20 minutes. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.